Welcome back. Special Olympics Bharat will participate in the Asia Pacific Regional Games to be held in Australia from 29 November to 7 December. A football camp for the players representing Bharat was held under the guidance of Australian coach Edward Meakin at Santa Cruz ground. The visiting coach was impressed by the talent of the special footballers. Meanwhile, Special Olympics India team will also compete in the preliminaries of the World event in June in Bangkok.
Special footballers were in attendance during a press conference to disclose the details of the Asia Pacific and World events. Special Olympic Bharat chairman Denzil Killer informed about the concept.
For the first time in the history of Special Olympics, we are having the Asia Pacific Regional Games. This is equivalent to the Asian Games and to the Commonwealth Games that we had. For the first time, Special Olympics Australia and Special Olympics India have got together.
All the athletes coming over have really excelled. I'm very impressed with the discipline of the players, the way the players conduct themselves, and that really stems down from Victor, who obviously installs that in his coaches, and then the coaches obviously install that in the players. The coaching standards here are high.
National Sports Director Victor Vaz gave the details about Asia Pacific and World events.
The team will be leaving on the 29th of November and the games will be over on the 7th of December. India is going to send a total number of 400 athletes with 100 coaches to this first ever 2013 Asia Pacific Regional Games to be held in Australia, Newcastle. The next biggest event, as you are told, we are coming with unified sports, football, soccer. And in that, we have just concluded the selection camp in Hyderabad. And I'm very happy to tell you that 5 of our own athletes are in the 28th list of probables which we are preparing for this World Unified Games.
Goa Football Development Council is also supporting the football activities of Special Olympics Bharat. A sports editor Niraj Prabhu with video journalist Dinesh Karpe from Panji.
Verna police have treated the assault complaint from cricketer Kashinath Chari as a minor issue and will try to resolve the issue amicably. Kashinath of Sani Club had complained to the police that Dempo Cricket Club captain Sagun Kamath had assaulted him during the lunch break of the Premier Division match on Sunday. Verna police have not yet registered Kashinath's complaint.
Kashinath Chari of Sani Club says he was assaulted for no reason.
Lunch time and आम्ही जोपा गेल्ले जोपा आम्ही घेताले पळय तेन्ना आम्ही अशें फकाणां करताले एकामेकांक फकाणां करताले ते फकाणांनी अशें कितें जालें काय खबर ना म्हाका तेन्ना हांव ताट घेवन वयतालो पळय म्हणजे हांवें जेवण घेतलें आनी हांव वयतालो सडनली येयलो आनी म्हाका मारपाक लागलो मारता मागीर ते हांवें मारपाक लागलो मागीर भुरग्यांनी सगळे प्लेयरांनी सगळे प्लेयरू आहले जोवपाक सगळे बोथ टिम्स आहले जोवपाक आनी मागीर प्लेयरांनी म्हाका सोडले आनी मागीर हांव म्हणटा म्हाका कित्याक म्हणल्यार म्हाका खबर ना अजून काय.
Secretary of Sani Club and GCA Vice President Sanjay Kanekar says action should be taken against Sagun.
तेजेर एक्शन जावपूच जाय कित्याक ताका लागून बाकीचे जुनियर भुरगे आमचे पिड्ड्यार जातले आनी काल पळय जाला पळय न्ही की ते बारीक भुरग्यांक पळय ताणें कोचिंग दिलां काशीनाथ च्यारीन तेंच्या फुड्यान ताका मारला ताणें कळ्ळें न्ही ती जावपाकूच जाय नाल्यार आमचे फुडें क्रिकेटची दयना जातली. तेजेर सेक्रेटरी कडेन उलयलां हांव प्रेसिडेंटा कडेन उलयलां बाकीच्या मेंबरा कडेन तेच्यान सांगलें आमी कितें तरी सारकी एक्शन घेवया म्हणून.
Dempo captain Sagun declined to comment on the issue, but he disclosed that he has explained his side to the parent club. Meanwhile, GCA will hold a meeting on Saturday to discuss the issue. Bureau Report, Prudent.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa. Meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.